Hello, we solved this question from SSSCE Call Mathematics 1997 Objective Question 6. And that is how the question goes. It says, in a school, Q equals, or the set Q equals students who can swim. The set R equals students over 16 years. And the set S equals students who are boys. What is Q prime intersection R prime intersection S? A, we have boys age 16 years or below who can swim. B, we have boys age 16 years or below who cannot swim. C, we have boys over 16 years who can swim. And D, we have boys over 16 years who cannot swim. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing. Click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. Now let's get the three sets down and examine them carefully. So the set Q comprises students who can swim. So let us get it very right here. And the set R2 is a set of students over 16 years. Students over 16 years. Over 16 years, okay. And the set S is also students who are boys. Okay, so let us try to understand these things here. But I mean, we have three sets, but what are we to find? Let me put that thing also down. The question says that what is Q prime intersection R prime intersection S? So we have to find Q prime intersection R prime intersection S. Now, when we say prime, it means the complement of it, that is not that set. So Q complement, yeah. So the set Q is this, and here we have to find the set Q complement. So what I'm trying to say here is that when we say Q complement, it means not Q. So we have the set Q, but Q complement means not Q. R complement means not R. But here we have just S. So let us try to find Q complement here. Now, if Q is the set of students who can swim, then what do you think will be Q complement? Q complement will be the opposite, that is the set that is not Q. That is the opposite of the set Q. See? So this will be students who cannot swim. They cannot swim. So if you cannot swim, you'll be in the set Q complement. If you can swim, you'll be in the set Q. If you cannot swim, you'll be in Q complement. Now, students over 16 years. So what will be R complement? Now, the set R is students over 16 years. What is the meaning of over here? Students who are over 16 years. Over means their age is greater than 16. If we say that a variable is over, it is over the 16, it means it is greater than 16. Now, so if we assume that the age is X, or should we write age? The age is greater than 16 years because the age is over 16 years. Now, if we are finding R complement, it means we are finding those who are not over 16 years. Students who are over 16 years and those who are not over 16 years. Not over 16 years means if you are not over the 16, it means you are either 16 or you are less than 16. That is what it means. So that means that if you are not over the 16, then it means you are exactly 16 or you are below the 16. You see, so R prime are students who are exactly 16, so we say who are aged 16, that is they are exactly 16 or they are below the 16. You see, if you are not over, then you are 16 or you are below 16. Okay, there is no mention of S prime, so we will not find S prime. So what is the intersection of Q prime, R prime, or Q complement intersection R complement intersection S? Q complement. So Q complement or Q prime says students who cannot swim. So let's look at the options here. Here we see who can swim. So that makes option A incorrect because of the Q complement, it should be students who cannot swim. But here we see who can swim because of the word can. A is not a possible answer. Here we see cannot. So B is a potential correct answer. Let's go to the C and C. Boys, we see can swim here. So this is even incorrect. And we are even also told boys over 16 years because here we are not dealing with Q, that is over 16. Sorry, we are not dealing with R over 16. We are dealing with R complement, which is 16 or below. So these two statements are incorrect. So that means the option C incorrect. Now option D, we see cannot swim. That could have been a potentially correct answer, but this boys over 16 years because the Q2 we are dealing with the R we are dealing with R prime, that is boys who are aged 16 or below 16, because the R is those that are over the 16 years, but we are talking about the R complement, that is boys who are exactly 16 or below 16. So because of this statement here, that makes the D an incorrect option. Now let's look at the B, which stands out as the correct option. So boys aged 16 years exactly or below 16 or below. So that is their R complement. So this statement here is correct. Let us look at the second one. Who cannot swim is also correct because that is the Q prime. So that makes the option B the only correct answer. So that is how we solve this. When we talk about complement, it means not that set. For example, if you say A complement, it means you are referring to the set of elements that are not in the A, but they are in the given universal set. You see, they are not in the given set A, but in the universal set. So A complement means not A, Q complement means not Q, R complement means not R. So if Q is students who can swim, then Q complement will be students who cannot swim. If R, the set R is students over 16 years, if you are older, let me see, if your age is over 16 years, then it means your age is not 16. Your age starts from 17 upwards because it is over 16. So the opposite of something which is over 16 is the thing is either 16 or it is below the 16, because if it is exactly 16, then it is not over 16, and if it is 15, then it is not over 16. So that is the opposite of that, right?